All right, class. I'm gonna be showing you how to frame the matrix, and you're gonna need a ruler. You're gonna need something to cut with. You're gonna need a pencil. You're gonna need your measuring card or the ruler. You're gonna need the a quarter of an inch measurement. You're also gonna need tape, and you're gonna need the four strips, four black strips. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the strips. You're gonna take your measuring card, and you're going to draw a line. This line is going to be a quarter of an inch away from the edge. So if your measuring card looks like this, then that's how it should look like. Then you're going to take the ruler and you're going to draw the line. The line doesn't have to be all the way from corner to corner. As long as you have about this much, you're gonna be fine. So you're basically gonna do that for all the four strips. Okay, again, it's a quarter of an inch. There you go. Right there. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to do it from an angle instead of doing it from the top, but okay. There you go. A couple more. Again, if you don't do this right, I'm gonna send you back and you're gonna have to redo the frame all over again. So make sure when you're doing this that you're take your time, do it right. And this is gonna be part of your craftsmanship grade. So this should not be crooked at all. If you're going to college, you gotta be able to use a ruler, guys, and know what a quarter of an inch is, and you also need to be able to draw a straight line with a ruler. So make sure. Okay, so we have the four strips with our straight lines, and now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the matrix and you're gonna have it facing down like this. So now you're gonna take one of the strips. I always like to do the shorter size first, like this. So you're gonna put this on top of the strip like this, making sure that you have equal size on each side. Okay, just eyeball it, you don't have to measure it. So right there, that looks about right. And then you're gonna take two pieces of tape like this, about an inch long, and then you're gonna tape like this, and you're gonna make sure that you're not taping the corners. You gotta stay away from the corners. Okay, so let's do the other side. Again, take this, slide it under. Whoops, I picked up the two. Okay, slide it under like this. Okay, equal lengths on the ends. Hold it. Put the tape on. Okay. So now this is important for you to know. You're gonna take the strip and you're gonna slide it under, but you're gonna make sure that the corners here, see these corners? They have the strip has to be sticking out, not like that. See, that's wrong. That's right. See that? As long as some of it is sticking out. So line it up. Tape. Okay, and then let's do the other one. Oops. Trying to do it fast, but you guys can take your time and do it right. So also you need to make sure that you're pressing down on the tape when you do this, otherwise it's not gonna stick. Okay, so there you go, guys. Look at that. See that? And if you did this measurement right, the half an inch. If you did it right, it's gonna look that perfect. Look at that. So this is well done. Okay, the next step is for you to cut the corners. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the ruler or the index card, whatever you feel more comfortable drawing a line with, and you're gonna draw a line. Oh, maybe the ruler. You're gonna draw a line from the inside corner to the outside corner, like that. See that? And you're gonna do that on all the top, the top strips. So again, like that. Can you get closer on this one?
Yeah.
And then, so, wow, I see that right there. I need my glasses. Okay. There you go. See, all the top ones. Now, after you do that, you're gonna take the top ones and you're gonna cut them right on the line. All right? It's very uncomfortable me doing it this way because I usually do it standing up. Okay, there you go. See that? So you cut all the top ones. Now you're gonna use the top to draw the line on the bottom one. So I'm gonna go like this and draw the bottom line. See that? Right there. Now on this one, you're going to cut it about 1/8 of an inch bigger. See that? Bigger, not smaller, bigger. And so that goes on the bottom like this, and you can see that there's no gap. If you cut it at the same time, you're gonna have a gap like that, and that's not good. Okay, so make sure that you cut the bottom one a little bit. So okay, let's do it again. You use the top one to draw the line on the bottom one, then you cut it about 1/8 of an inch bigger, and again that goes on the bottom like that. Okay, so oops. Okay, so you should now be doing that. Draw the line. I'm just gonna draw this one too. That, and then I'm gonna cut it. Again, 1/8 of an inch bigger. All right, so now we're gonna take the back and make sure that the longest one is on the bottom, okay, like that. So I'm gonna take it like this, flip it over. I can double check again like that the longest one is on the bottom, okay. And this is also very important. Some students, when they tape this, they go like this, right? They tape they don't tape the corner, and that is not right because the corner is gonna be weak. So you take a long strip and then you go like that from the inside all the way to the outside. That's the proper way to do it. See that? And then you just turn it around and cut it like this, like that. Get rid of this, and that's basically how the corners are taped. So there you go. So I'm gonna make sure that the bottom, the longest one, when you flip it over, obviously the longest one is gonna be at the top. There you go. Okay, so now we tape these corners. We're gonna go ahead and cut them. And of course, you gotta get rid of the tape, otherwise it's gonna get in your way. And one more. Kind of rush it. Oop. Gotta get better. Okay, so there you go. See that? So now that you know the corners are done right, then you're gonna take tape like that. And you're gonna tape the whole matrix like this. See that? Like that. Like this. Framing is as important as the art, guys. So again, this will be part of your grade. Now what you need to do here is press down like that. See that? Otherwise the tape is not gonna stick. It'll come off when we have them hanging out. Okay, so that's how you frame it. Okay, so after you frame it, do this. You have to double check, make sure that you do it right. Let's go this way. Okay, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it right here. See this right here? Right here, you're gonna put it right there. And if it fits right there, then that means that you did it right. Okay? So that's it. Thank you.